Hey, everyone, welcome to our channel. This video will show you how to build the React PDF editor by integrating ComPDFKit PDF SDK. Before you begin, make sure you have met the following requirements and start now. Step 1. Create a new React project and change your directory to ComPDFKit app. Step 2. Add ComPDFKit for web. First, install the web viewer as a dependency with npm. Then, add the web viewer folder, which contains the required static resource files to run the ComPDFKit web demo, to your project's public resource folder. Step 3. Display the PDF document. When adding the PDF document, you want to display to the public to web viewer, example the directory. Remember, when you use the Web SDK, you need to tell it where to copy the static resources through the parameter path. If not, it will be relative to the current path. Finally, replace the content of src.js. Step 4. Start the app and open it in your default browser. You can add annotations to PDF files, add electronic signatures, edit, and more. ComPDFKit provides you with a complete demo download package on GitHub. Just visit ComPDFKit's GitHub account. Find the React sample project directly. Click the Code button and choose the Download ZIP option in the drop-down list. After the download is successful, you can directly use ComPDFKit React PDF Editor web demo. That's it. See you next time.